All about ECE. In this session, we are going to discuss about next topic called non-inverting configuration, designing using multisim software. Before going to design this non-inverting configuration, first we should understand the how to calculate the gain of this non-inverting configuration using theoretically. Then we will go to practically by approaching in the model waveforms. Then only we'll better understand the concepts of this non-inverting configuration using multisim software. First we should understand the how to calculate the practical theoretically the value of gain using this ideal case. First I am assuming that initially I am assuming the op amp should be idle. So whenever then I am considering the op amp is idle, then it will offers an infinite resistance. So when it offers infinite resistance, then the voltage which is connected to, let us consider this here. I am taking the value as V, and why? Because uh, for our simplicity, just consider V plus and V minus. In this case, it is considering when you assuming it is an ideal, then V plus is equals to V minus. Then here itself, you can clearly observe that V1 is connected through resistor R1 to the ground, and here taking V plus as V plus value as a, why? Because we are considering as a non-inverting configuration. The term itself telling that non-inverting. It means it is not inverting. It means we'll get a complete positive of waveform which is having a amplitude more greater than the input waveform. Why? Because it is amplifying. The term itself op amp, operational amplifier, amplifying, right? So the output may be amplified little bit more than comparing to the input side. Let's see, this is a non-inverting configuration, right? So for non-inverting configuration, I am assuming that let's apply Kirchhoff current law, then it is going to be V plus is equals to V minus. It's nothing but sum of entering currents is equals to a node, sum of entering currents is equals to sum of leaving currents. Correct, right? So when you considering this one, all these are entering currents to this node, entering current. So V1 minus current flow from high potential to low potential. So V1 minus 0 by R1 plus, here it is V1, this is V0. I am taking output. So V1 minus V0 by R2, that is equals to, there is no voltage here, so it is 0. So when considering by taking common and I am shifting that V0 is on RHS side, then you are going to get the value as V0 by V1, which is nothing but output by input. We this consider as gain. So gain is 1 plus R2 by R1. In this way, for a non-inverting configuration, when I am assuming an ideal case, we are going to get the gain value as 1 plus R2 by R1. So this is the gain of the formula. So let's, I want to design a operational amplifier of non-inverting configuration with gain 3. Then I'm going to choose the value of R2 is 2 kilo ohm, then R1 as 1 kilo ohm. Then in that case, 1 plus R2 by R1, R2 as a 2 kilo ohm and R1 as 1 kilo ohm. So 1 plus 2 by 1, which is equals to 3. So in such a way, I'm going to design a op amp with non-inverting configuration with 3 gain. So now let's see the execution part using multisim software. Now you can see here I am taking all the components. Now let's join all together to form a circuit. So now you can observe that I have been designed the circuit which is having non-inverting configuration with 5 volts peak to peak having 1 kilohertz frequency, and I have been taken the resistance values are R1 as 1 kilo ohm and R2 as 2 kilo ohm as we are previously discussed in the PowerPoint slide. V0 is equals to 1 plus R2 by R1 into V1. So in that case, if you are considered that in this case I have been taken the saturation values as 12 volts, and I have been to observe the output waveforms. So I have been taken the oscilloscope to display the output waveforms according to the our input. So let's run this program. So in previous session you can understand that to observe the waveform, double click on the oscilloscope, then it will be moving. So stop the program and scroll the bar to observe the waveforms. So here you can see that, okay, this is the output waveform of the respective non-inverting configuration with the gain 3. So this is the input waveform, and the output should be more than the input. It means the amplitude of the output should be greater than that of the input, but the with in phase, not in out of phase. When you observe in the non-inverting configuration, it is in phase. Whereas in previous session we are discussed about inverting configuration, it is out of phase. When you observe the waveform, it is in 180 degrees opposite that of the input. So by this we can conclude that the non-inverting configuration having in output is same as input, but it is having the amplitude greater than the the input. So by clearly observing this waveform, you can conclude that this is a non-inverting configuration having a gain of. So now I am going to change this one. So you can see here. So I am changing the value of resistance as 2 kilo ohms. So in that case, the gain will be increases. So you can see here. So but the output waveform is changed. Why? Because of the some, by increasing the resistance value, the output waveform will be changes. So 1 plus R2 by R1. 1 plus R2 by R1 is 3 volts, right? So you can clearly, this is 2. So V naught by Vi. This is 2.5, 2.5. Then you will going to get 3. So here it is 5 and 5, 10. You can clearly that one more, 12. So 12 by 5. Approximately, it will be 12 by 5. Whereas in intake, this has almost 2, this is almost 2, 14. You can observe that 2 1 plus R2 by R1 is 3. So 15 by 3 is almost 3 gain, right? So V naught by V we are taking as. So if you want to observe in opposite manner, we can, when you click on the oscilloscope, initially it is in dark mode. So to change this one, you can click on the option called reverse. Then you will get the white interface to clearly observe the waveforms. So I hope this session is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. And if you are not watched that previous session video, I have been providing in icon button. So please watch that video. And if you are not subscribed till now our channel, please subscribe and help us to grow in this field. And also if you have any suggestion regarding explanation, so please post in comment box. Thank you for watching.